Hello and welcome to our exhibition. If you're wondering what a worldview is, this is the right video for you. According to Witt, there are four main worldviews that determine the way in which people make decisions, how they understand the world, and how they interact with nature. These four main worldviews are namely the traditional worldview, the modern worldview, the postmodern worldview, and the integrative worldview. Violence in schools is a rising societal issue, and in this video, we are going to look at how each mentioned worldview perceives this problem in society. The traditional worldview is rooted in religious values and moral order. Therefore, violence in schools can be seen as a sign of moral decay. This worldview links the issue violence in schools to a lack of respect, disregard for authority, and turning away from religious teachings. This worldview would encourage school assemblies with moral teachings and involve religious and community leaders to guide learners. The modern worldview focuses on science and reason and will therefore conclude that violence in schools is a social problem caused by factors such as broken homes, poverty, or psychological issues. This view would depend on scientific research to gain understanding concerning the root causes of violent behavior. Diversity, inclusion, and multiple perspectives is the basis of the postmodern worldview. For this reason, systemic behavior would also be taken into consideration rather than blaming the individual for the issue at hand. Violence in schools would therefore be seen as a result of social injustice, discrimination, and power imbalances. Lastly, we look at the integrative worldview, which combines elements of the other three worldviews for a balanced and holistic approach. This worldview has the perception that violence in schools is a complex and multi-layered issue involving a mixture of personal, social, cultural, and systemic factors. The complexity of this problem, as seen by this worldview, renders a single solution as insufficient. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you learned something. Enjoy the rest of the exhibition.